to you about reindeer candy. Now, guys, reindeer candy is this wonderful little chocolate pretzel treat that we always make during the holiday season, during the winter season. And we'll pop that little red nose on it, and it will represent Rudolph when we make this for the Christmas season. But guys, I wanted to make sure you guys knew that reindeer candy can also be made for the Thanksgiving celebrations as well. We usually make the noses out of this reindeer candy with any kind of candy you want to make it with, but most of the time it's made with M&Ms. And as you know, you can get M&Ms in all different colors. So instead of making it a red nose for Thanksgiving, you would probably use the gold color, the yellow M&M. You can always pick black M&Ms and brown M&Ms for reindeer noses. Now, another reason, guys, I wanted to bring up this reindeer candy is I want to tell you about another holiday where we celebrate reindeers that would be a perfect day for you to make this reindeer candy. And that's for August the 2nd. Guys, we actually have a holiday that's called Reindeer Day. So grab those calendars out, guys, and mark it on your calendar, because here is another excuse for you to make this beautiful chocolate pretzel treat for August the 2nd for Reindeer Day. Now, Reindeer Day was also called Deer Day. And Deer Day was a professional holiday of reindeer herdsmen, which was first celebrated in 1932. But since the year 1985, the holiday was changed, and it was a day of the reindeer herdsman. Well, now in this day and time, it's just simply known as Reindeer Day, and it's celebrated every year on August the 2nd. So there's you a little bit of holiday history and a lot of fun that can be planned for 3 different holidays here, guys, that you can enjoy this little chocolate pretzel treat. So that's Thanksgiving, Christmas, and for August the 2nd on Reindeer Day. Okay, guys, that's all the information I have for you for today. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, because we talk a lot about the holidays and how to enjoy them. Okay, catch you on the next video, guys. Happy holidays.